If your Delta kitchen faucet is leaking from the base of the spray nozzle when it's on, that's a super common issue and definitely annoying. So, here's the thing with Delta spray nozzles leaking at the base. First off, check if the hose connection under the sink is tight, because sometimes that's the cause. If the spray nozzle itself won't unthread by twisting, it might be stuck or designed to come apart differently. Some models have a hidden release clip or a small set screw you gotta loosen. Before yanking stuff apart, turn off your water supply to avoid a mini flood situation. You can try gently wiggling the nozzle back and forth while pulling it out, but don't force it too hard or you risk breaking it. If you don't see a washer, it could be inside the connection or part of a cartridge that needs replacing. Sometimes the leak is due to a worn O-ring inside the nozzle base, so if you can get the nozzle off, swapping that O-ring usually stops leaks. If none of that works, hitting up Delta's customer service is smart because they often ship replacement parts free if your faucet is under warranty. One of the biggest mistakes people make with Delta kitchen faucet spray nozzle leaks is assuming the whole nozzle needs replacing without checking the hose connection underneath first. Tightening that can save a lot of hassle. Another common problem is trying to force the nozzle off without finding the release mechanism or screws, which can break your faucet and cost way more. Lastly, ignoring worn O-rings or washers inside causes leaks to keep happening even after cleaning or tightening parts. Swapping those small components usually fixes the problem without replacing everything. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who need trusted local contractors because it connects you with pros who know what they're doing, so you don't have to stress about repairs like this. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's an awesome way to get more work by reaching people in your area looking for help.